Maybe he's right. Maybe there is something the matter with me. I just don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be talking, oh my god, am I talking too fast here? Probably I am. Like on the other video, I had a really strong headache and I couldn't really function. I was trying to do everything very calm, very, but that is not my personality at all, okay? It's not. I mean, I am a very calm person, but if you want to be a mermaid, be a mermaid. If you want to be a unicorn, be a unicorn, okay? Whatever you want to do in life, go and do it, okay? You only live once. Life goes by too fast. Today we're here, this moment, right now, I'm talking, and the next minute, I do not know where I'm going to be at. So we need to enjoy life a bit more and be more open towards others, be more acceptance towards others. And we are all different. We have the same needs, but each and every single one of us are very different. So we have to be more acceptance of others, okay? And if you want to be a mermaid, if you want to be a unicorn, then so be it. Be a unicorn, be a mermaid, for God's sake. Anyways, I'm going to start this video by, oh my god, I love this. Okay, oh my god. Okay, today I have a little bit of energy. I had such migraine headaches for like the past 4 days or 5 days, I don't even know. Like I've been having headaches forever, but today I'm feeling a little bit better. Thanks God, I'm feeling a little bit better. So today I'm going to be talking about this. Yes, this just came out. I bought it on Sephora on March the 8th. That's when it came out. This is worth $42. Yes, $42. $42 is not that much compared to the Natasha Denona. It's nothing. And so look at this packaging, you guys. Do you see that? It looks like the fin, like the tail of a mermaid. That's how pretty this packaging is, okay? It says Tarte, high performance and naturals. Be a mermaid and make waves. Yes, just be a mermaid. Reminds me of The Little Mermaid. My first favorite movie from Disney is Beauty and the Beast, and the second one is The Little Mermaid. So pretty. And anyways, look at this, you guys. Just look at this. Isn't this beautiful with that gold and then these tones? And by the way, like this is hard, but it's not like, it feels like leather. I mean, it's not real leather, but it feels like leather. I really like the material. And when you open up, it's a little bit complicated to open up. I will have to say that. But eventually you will, and once you open, this is how the palette looks. It has this beautiful eyeshadow tones, especially bubbles like that. It's so pretty. Even the name is cute, like, oh my god, bubbles. Anyways, the mirror is really good, and then on top of that, it says 99% mermaid. So when I'm looking at myself trying to do my eye makeup look, it says, hey, you're 99% mermaid. And I'm like, thank you. So I really like that. And then underneath it says Tarte, and I love Tarte, so anyways, so I'm going to shut up and I'm going to start creating this makeup look. So if you guys are interested in this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it smells a little bit of coconut, maybe chocolate. I don't even know. I'm not sure, but it smells really good though. It smells really good. So now that I'm ready, I have my color base already. I'm going to start with the color Sandbar. So I can perfectly tell already that the colors blend beautiful. Alright guys, so I zoom you in just a little bit so you can more or less see what I'm doing. So this area here is calling me, so I think I'm gonna use those tones. They're beautiful. I'm going to get the color Lagoon. I'm going to be putting it right over here in my outer crease. For some reason, the color Lagoon is not really blending as I would like to. Let me try with the finger, and now I'm going to get the color Splash. It might work better with the finger. My god, that is pigmented. So let me get Lagoon with the finger. Okay, and I'm going to be putting it right over here. Yep, they work better with the finger. Okay, so now I'm going to get the color Splash. Okay. So I'm going to get the color Bubbles, and I'm going to be putting it right over here, mixing in with the color Splash. Ooh, that color, you guys. That color is so pretty. By the way, I'm loving these names. Shell, yeah. Ooh, okay. That is very pretty. Ooh, I'm loving this palette. Okay, so now I'm going to be getting the color Lagoon. And I'm going to be putting Lagoon right over here. So I'm going to get the color Sandbar again. Blending in the color with Lagoon. Okay, so now I'm going to get the color Mimosa. And just to highlight right over here, only a little bit. Just like that, not too much. So now I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner. And this is from the brand Vintage. I got this in BoxyCharm. I'm using this eyeliner because it's actually very creamy and I like it. So now I'm going to put a little bit of primer, and this is from Dior. It's called Dior Shore Maximizer 3D. It says triple volume plumping lash primer, and this is my favorite one. I'm going to put mascara, and I'm going to use the mascara from Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I know that there's a lot of hype for this mascara, but it's because it's good, it works. For highlight, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic Palette. And I'm going to use the Blue Sapphire. I'm going to use the Sayate London Glitter Flip in the color Siren. I feel like it's appropriate for this theme, you know? For this type of lipsticks, you have to wait like 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes have passed and you feel like the lipstick is dry, then you can press both your lips together and you're gonna see a bunch of shine. Guys, be aware that this palette contains 14 shades, and out of those 14 shades, 3 are matte shades and then the rest are shimmer. So 11 of the shades are shimmer, so most of the palette is shimmer. If you don't like eyeshadows that are shimmer, then I don't recommend that you buy this palette because there's only 3 matte shades in here. I suggest that with this palette, you use your fingers and you're gonna get a lot more of that pigmentation from the eyeshadow. If you use your brush, you're definitely not gonna see as much pigmentation in your makeup look. So yeah, so if you're one of those that you don't really like to use your fingers, I also don't think this palette is for you, because to really get the full pigmentation out of these eyeshadows, you really need to use your fingers. The look that I was doing when I tried to get the color Lagoon, it just wasn't blending in with the eyeshadows. So I'm like, let me try the fingers, and then that worked like a dream. So I highly suggest that you use your fingers to use this baby right here. And I really have nothing negative to say other than it's kind of difficult to open up the palette because one is closed. To open up, you kind of have to press real hard in the middle, and then it finally opens. Perfect addition to my collection. So I'm very, very happy that I went and got this palette. Now, I'm going to swatch the colors, The names are really nice, like everything just goes with this palette, you know? So they're in shape of like the mermaid scale, you know, like her fin. Retails for $42, okay? You get 14 eyeshadows. Remember, 3 are matte and the rest are shimmer. I have to sneeze. Sorry. And then it says, what it says here? It says the weight. It says the weight of the palette is 0.8 grams. It says cruelty free and then 12 months. Okay, I'm going to swatch the colors so you guys can see more or less of the pigmentation. Okay, so this is Nude Beach. Nude Beach right here. Sure Thing. Mermosa. You guys saw that? Creamy. Okay. This one is Frosé. Right here is Beach Please. Okay. This one right here is Fantastic. Such a cute name, right? Shipwreck. Sandbar. This one here is called Cavern. Okay, now I'm going in with Salt Water. The color Lagoon. Color Splash. Shell, yeah. Okay. Those are all the swatch. If you are still watching this video, thank you so much for watching my video, for supporting me, for liking, for commenting, or for just staying around and watching this video. Thank you. Really, thank you. I appreciate it. So with all of that said, I'm going to leave. I'm going to shut up already and I'm just gonna go. So guys, thank you so much for watching again. Have a beautiful day, night, wherever you guys are and you're watching this video. So until the next one, bye guys. Mwah. Ciao.